secrets that are in that.
I'm gonna give this keychain away in my next vlog to somebody who. The losers there. You're getting ready for my vlog, or? Hi guys, so I'm at Rhea's house right now and we've switched the V on and we're playing Mario Kart. Like, we don't know this game. I'm gonna beat Rhea. She has some kind of found confidence that she's gonna beat me. He's using the steering wheel like a baby. It's like I am baby Mario. Look how cute I am, and Rhea's ugly. I'll let losers pick the first. No. We'll let losers pick the first track. So Rhea, which one would you like to pick? Pick. You're not controlling. I don't know why you're moving your remote. Mushroom Gorge. Alright. So we're doing Mushroom Gorge first and I'm gonna beat her. I'm gonna record the race. Okay, back. 3, Rhea, how are the controls? Abhi, I went reverse. Rhea, I'm literally second right now and you're 6th. That's just not. Rather took a mad W. Guess who's first? Agastya. I'm the best. I'm first. Oh shit. Oh, bro, Rhea drifted and is first. No, second.
Bro, 5 seconds.
Bro.
Losers just know.
Bro, did you just say losers? Just no. Did you just call yourself a loser? You don't know how to throw them behind, or? What an amateur. That's mine. He stole it, yaar. Are you first?
I don't know, am I?
I'm 5th.
Last lap. Oh lord. Okay, I guess to redeem yourself.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
We will redeem ourselves in the second race. Guys, Rhea cheated.
Okay. Sure.
You know what, Rhea? I don't like you.
Okay. I don't like you either.
Oh, I got. Oh no.
Am I distracting you? Am I
Yeah.
bothering
Yeah,
you?
stop.
You're first. Huh?
First.
You're first. You're lead. What's in my left, Agastya? Look behind. Look behind.
Yeah, sharp.
Look, what is that?
Yeah, stop distracting me.
Agastya, it's a banana.
Yes. Rhea, stop.
Agastya, it's a banana.
Guys, she's distracting. This is illegal. Mario Kart rules.
I will appeal to the commission.
Which comes? I am the commission.
The Mario
My
Kart.
house, my rule.
Oh, Rhea. Oh, Rhea got eaten. Yes.
So that was my dad's.
Rhea's dad's me eaten Rhea. Rhea's dad likes me. That's a fact.
Thank you, Sajid uncle, for watching this.
What's wrong with me?
Yes. Rhea. Yeah, I will lose my.
I will kill you.
I will get a knife from the kitchen and kill you right now. Oh Lord. Okay, I can't see. Can't. Oh. How did you?
So I won,
How did you
obviously.
do this? I don't know how you hacked it. She hacked it. I will appeal to the commission right now. Okay, so what happened was I was in first place and I was going to win it, but then the stupid ink shit came on my face and Rhea overtook me from the right somehow. I crashed into her once more, but she still somehow won. She's hacked the game. I'm telling you, we're gonna have a rematch soon on this channel. So I was cleaning my cupboard today because my mom forced me to, because like my
cupboard was very messy and whatever.
But here's the fun part. I found this pouch. Okay, everybody has this pouch which has like small items you've collected over like a lot of time which you don't want to throw away. And I found this entire thing. Like, I don't even know, it just has a lot of like stuff with like memories and like stuff. Here are
Literally all my secrets, all my friends' secrets.
because I used to like journal everything. These journals have like the potential to ruin a lot of friendships to this day.
What are the secrets that are in that?
I might reveal some of them. But okay, let's start. Okay, first thing is a t-shirt for my 10th standard t-shirt. No, wait, this is not 10th. This is 12th standard. This is my shirt signing t-shirt from 12th standard. What all is written over here? Let's see. Influencer is literally written. Then this was when I had like, guys, I had less than 2,000 followers also. And I'm 100% sure, I don't even remember who's written this. Like the person who wrote this has written this as a joke to kind of mock me, because I used to make videos even in high school when I didn't have like followers.
And guess what, bro? I am an influencer now.
You are the reason. You are the reasons written. Fortnite with my hero, Sahir. Sahir is a really good friend of mine. Sahir used to play Fortnite. Okay, what's written on the sleeve? Hate you. Hate you. Seems like a familiar phrase I've been listening to all my life. Hate you. Anyway, that's done. Let's move on to the second thing. This box. I used to have this phase where I used to like collect keychains. So all these are the different keychains I had. I'm just going to put them down and I'll show you.
Hello.
Say hi to my YouTube. Do you remember this phrase? This is an inside joke, which I'm sorry to crack. I should not be cracking it right now, but Dad knows this joke. Anyway, back to the keychains. So these are all my keychains which I have. I have a lot of them. Okay, so if you don't know, I was a genius when I was a kid. I don't know what happened now. I was like a robotics kind of a guy. And this is my international pass when I'd gone to Qatar in 2015 as Team India. This is my thing when I'd gone to Spain again for robotics. This is my thing when I was at my national level in India. Anyway, these were all my keychains which I have. Okay, what else do we have? So there's this jacket. Okay, so fun fact about this jacket. I bought this jacket like 2-3 years ago when I was in Dubai. It was too big for me at that time. And it was for like 1,500 rupees, and like denim jacket looked really nice. Like my true Indian side came out and was like, bro, buy it. It's so cheap, 1,500 bucks. Let's buy it. You'll wear it when you're grown up. And now I'm grown up. I'm going to try this on. I have not tried this on in 3 years. Whoa. Bro, man's looking fine. Damn. This jacket's finally fitting me. So guys, moral of the story.
Always buy things which are oversized and then wear them 3 years later.
Okay, so the jacket is done. What else do we have? Bro, I have my
Game Boy.
all the OG gamers remember a Game Boy. Bro, Game Boy used to be the shit, bro. I used to play with my cousin brother like all the time. We used to be like Power Rangers all the time. Arin, if you're watching this, we have to play Power Rangers. Then I have these wacky glasses. Yeah, I have these wacky glasses for some reason. Child Agastya was not, I don't know what he was. Hello. So I have this VR set which I bought for like
Things.
No, that was a joke, only for the vlog. I bought it because shit. Let's move on to the journal. Are you ready? Okay, see, now I don't want to expose too much of my friends and like, you know, shit we've done in the past and like my secrets. I swear I don't know what page is what. Whatever page opens up, I'll read that page aloud, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Look at all the secrets in this page. Oh my god. Okay, I found some secret. I'll tell you actually. I won't take the names of these people, but this happened. So somebody had told me that somebody kissed somebody's girlfriend in the near the water cooler in lunch break today. They're still my friends to this day. So if you're watching this, I just revealed your secret to the internet. I'm sorry. Okay, I have something here. Bro, this video got kind of deep. This was 27th February 2020. Almost 1 year ago. I have written, so today I just felt like everyone dislikes me, or maybe it's just me cutting people off for no reason. I don't even know what's happening, but I find everyone fake.
Well, that just got a lot worse, Augusta, didn't it, once you got all the followers? I don't know who to trust anymore.
And I've written your work harder. So you know what I used to do is I used to write like these small like things whenever I could. It's just like to imbibe it in my system to like, you know, don't listen to naysayers, work harder. I've written here, keep the momentum going. What else have I written? I don't know what to write. So I've written, I don't really know. And I've written plan for ahead. So this is like a tip if you want to use it. Write like positive things down every day if you're journaling, and like it'll imbibe in your system and stuff like that. Okay, we can't end this on such like a happy note. Let me just tell you one more secret, okay? Okay, one more secret. So I've written here, this was the day me and my friends bunked school, like college, and we went to like town. So basically we all met outside our school and then we just didn't go inside. We just took like rickshaws and trains and like we just went to town to explore. We went to like different markets, like 4-5 of us. We were like walking on top of trains and stuff. My mom didn't know this and she's staring at me now. I will have to have a conversation with my mom after this video. Anyway, this is where I'm gonna end the video. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification. And comment down what is your favorite thing I had from here, and I might even give one of my keychains. You know what? I'm gonna give this keychain away in my next vlog to somebody. This is a keychain from when I gone to Indonesia. I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys who likes the video, comments, shares and subscribe to the channel and send me a screenshot on my Instagram, because I'm going to be checking. Like if you do that, I'll genuinely ship you this keychain no matter where you are in India or in the world. Alright, cool. I'll see you later. Bye.